Hello and welcome back. Welcome to our YouTube Live. If you are just joining us, welcome. Okay. So this morning we're gonna have some fun. Okay, and we are going to make coffee with Flair. So if I know some of you have one, I think Justin, I believe you got one, and Mike, I know you have one. If you haven't played with the Flair, make sure you might want to check it out. Okay, make sure you look into it because they're a lot of fun to use, and something about just manual machine like La Puboni is really fun. Okay, so before we start making coffee, Flair is all about managing the heat. So here's what I set up here with my stove. I'm kind of like heating up my portafilter and the water chamber. So you want to be hot as possible. So using Flair, you have to like prepare a little more, okay? Little bit more involved than obviously using Barista Pro, Barista Express. So much easier. Even La Puboni can be a little tricky as well. So enough talking, and let's make some coffee. We're gonna do 14 gram. I'm just gonna take my filter basket. And fits perfectly. Just apply it firmly. I mean, since we are using the double wall basket, so we don't have to worry about the temping pressure much. Okay, pretty much it. So here's the fun part. We are going to put everything together here. Don't forget the shower screen. Fit them to the bottom. On the top here. I have this tiny scale from Amazon as well. It's called Fusion Scale, so that fit right in. So I'm doing the 14 grams, so I'm looking at like 1:2 ratio, like 14 gram in, like 28 gram out, water in. So this is when having a gooseneck kettle is definitely helpful. I'm just gonna apply slowly, okay? Kind of like pre-infusion process here. Don't force it. So you see that, starting to see the dropping here? At this point, and you're gonna give it a good push. So I'm looking for, let's see, 28 to 30 gram here. I'm at 28 gram, perfect. Just as you can see from here, that shot looks pretty good. Okay, not bad at all. Beautiful shot. Okay, at this time we are going to play with some milk. Okay, let's do some latte art. So this is Flair, kind of like cappuccino. Yeah. Something like that. Let's try this. Okay, let's try. So this is a Lavazza coffee. Cheers. By the way, I'm using the James Hoffman design coffee cup here from Love Ramic. You know what? I have to say, okay, this bag from Costco, it cost me $9.99. I mean, can beat the price. If you guys like the milk-based drink, I mean, this is pretty good. Okay, I have to say that's pretty good. And the better, yeah, if I'm gonna put another, maybe once pump caramel. I mean, even better. Okay, even better here. So let's try this. So one last time. Wow, this is fantastic.